Yes, students. Now see, we have done exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. In your exercise number 3, rewrite each sentence by replacing the italicized group of words with an adjective given in the box. There are some words in this box, students. You have to choose those words to fill the blanks. So this will be your homework. You will have to do it as your homework. Naresh is dash and wants to become someone great. Second is Fanny won a prize at the dash quiz contest. So students, you have to select the right appropriate word from the box. Third is his handwriting is so bad that it is dash. The little prince was dash. Flew is dash. Mira's speech was dash at the back of the room. He was dash about what he said and spoke with great force. Gamblings is dash in public house and banned by law. So students, you will have to do this exercise as your homework. Yes, students, I have given you as exercise number 3 as a homework. After that, we are going to start with the adjectives used in one position only. Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, Kiran Sharma. Yes, we have done exercise number 3 as our homework. And today we are going to start with the new topic of adjectives. Adjectives used in one position only. We can use most adjectives in both positions, before a noun or after a linking verb. We can use adjectives we can use in both part, before a noun also and after a linking verb also. What is linking verbs? Linking verbs are your helping verbs: is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. So all those verbs we can call it as a linking verb. So now you are getting that what are linking verbs. Linking verbs are is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. All those helping verbs we can call them as a linking verbs. But a few adjectives can go in one position but not in the other. Look at some of them. Now you can see with the help of the example, it will be clear to all of you. Your younger brother, not brother younger. Yes, we are showing here about the brother, the younger brother or elder brother. So brother, we are talking about the brother. So we have to give the description about the brother. So brother, younger brother. Badminton is an outdoor game, not game outdoor. We are not saying game outdoor. We are saying outdoor game. So this exercise number 4 is related to these two examples. We can see, we will do it right now. Okay, rewrite the following with the adjectives coming before a noun. You can see better this one, there is a noun. Before a noun we are going to use it. Your mother, loving. So you have your loving mother. Mother is a noun and that's why we are using this adjective loving. Your loving mother. In the same way we are going to do the next one also. Secrets, inner. So we will say it as a inner secrets. I am writing here inner secrets. Yes, number 3. My cot warm and cozy. My warm cozy cot. My warm. So what will be the answer? My warm cozy cot. You can write here in the book. You have to mention this one. No need to write in the notebook. You will just solve it in the book. The night dark moonless. The dark moonless night. The dark moonless night. Yes, so we are telling about the night. What kind of night it is? The dark moonless night. Next is the staff helpful and caring. So how we are going to correct it? The helpful and caring staff. Yes. Number 5, you are having the road main. What kind of road it is? The main road. So we will solve it as the main road. The main road. Yes. So we are using this all adjectives. You can see in the examples, we are all using those examples, adjectives before the noun. Road is also a noun, and here now main is the adjective. You can see in this also inner secrets. So before those secrets we are using this inner. Cozy, red, my warm cozy cot is the noun, so, and warm and cozy is the adjective. In the same way here, the dark moonless night before night we are using moonless, dark. So these are the adjectives. The helpful and caring staff. What kind of staff is it? Helpful and caring. So helpful and caring will be the adjective. Now we are talking about number 6. The road main. So what kind of road it is? The main road. Now you are having number 6. My aim only. So what will be my only aim? My only aim. Aim means आपका लक्ष्य. आपका क्या लक्ष्य है? आपका एकमात्र लक्ष्य. ओनली एम मीन्स आपका एकमात्र लक्ष्य. द थिंग टू रिमेंबर और मेन. द थिंग टू रिमेंबर. द मेन थिंग टू रिमेंबर. We can say the main thing to remember. So I am writing here the main thing to remember. The leaves brown and amber. So what kind of leaves we are getting here? The brown and amber leaves. What will you say? The brown and amber leaves. Yes. The last one is restaurant excellent local. So this one we will solve it. Excellent local restaurant. Excellent local restaurant. So you can write here excellent local restaurants. Yes, so you can get this one. So we are using means to say that adjective used in one position only. We are using all those before a noun. You can see this one. Yes, restaurant is also a noun, and before this we are using local. Excellent local restaurant. So in this way we are getting clear with the adjectives. Okay, position of adjectives. When several adjectives are used in one sentence, they must be placed in a particular sequence. Yes, students, it is very necessary that if there are many adjectives in one sentence, we have to put them in a sequence. Otherwise, better we will not be able to understand, or we will not get a sequence meaning or particular meaning of that particular sentence. So we need to put all the adjectives in a proper place. Now see exercise number 5. We are having Provide 3 adjectives for each of these nouns. You are having this one, village. So for related to a village, you need to give 3 examples. What kind of village you are going to explain here? You are going to describe about a village. So we need to write 3 examples of adjectives related to this village. So if I add one example, a distant, old and populated village, populated. Yes, we are using here 3 adjectives. We are using distant, old and populated. So these are distant means dur, okay. Old, purana, and populated means related to the people. So a distant, old and populated village. So we are giving 3 examples of adjective in this exercise. We are describing about the village. We are telling distant, old and populated village. Next is you are having about the dog. We are going to tell any 3 adjectives. So in a sequence we have to give an example related to the adjectives. Suppose number 2 we are going to describe about the dog, and here I am having a pretty. What kind of dog it is? A pretty. We can add small also. Yes, small and intelligent. Yes, we can add intelligent. Yes, now you are getting a pretty, small and intelligent dog. So this is the example we are using. Adjectives, 3 adjectives are here, but they are all in a sequence and they are giving a senseful meaning. We are getting a proper meaning describing about the dog or about the particular examples which has given in this exercise. Yes, we will start with number 3 again. We are talking about a student. Here we will describe about a student, and we have to give 3 examples of adjectives related to the student. So you are getting a good. What kind of student he or she is? A good, hard working. You can add hard working. And intelligent student, Yes, and intelligent student. Yes, you have to write students very neatly. Your work should be very neat. Likewise, you have to write in a very proper way, and also your handwriting should be neat and tidy, so that whenever you read and whenever you get reading of the exercises or the book, you will not find it difficult to understand. So you should write it very neatly. Okay, we will start again with the question number 4. Yes, now 4 is about the movie. We have to add adjectives related to the movie. So in movie, what we can add? The movie was very long. We can say, okay, so long, a long, bad. But you are not getting it interesting. So you can say it was a very bad movie. Okay, a long, bad and boring movie. You can add it. And boring movie. You are telling about the quality of the movie, that it was very long also, and bad also. You are not finding it very interesting, and it was very boring also. So you can add these 3 adjectives related to this movie. Yes, the last one is a dash and dash chocolate. Okay, you are getting chocolate here. So you can add related to the chocolate, you have to add adjectives. So you can say nice. The chocolate is very nice, very sweet. Yes, nice, black. What is the color of that chocolate? Is black. You can add brown also, and white chocolate and white. You are getting a mixture in it. Okay, and white chocolate. Okay, students. So this exercise in this exercise we are using three adjectives each. Okay. Okay, now going further, if we continue the next one, read aloud these sets of words and rearrange them correctly. You have to rearrange it properly. First, locate the noun which is being described and then fit it in the adjectives. It, what, day, bright, lovely, sunny, and is. So you're not getting a meaningful. It is not arranged in a proper way. So you will do it in a proper way. Just for example, I will tell you one. The answer will be what bright, what a bright, lovely, and sunny day it is. You're getting an expression of exclamation. Okay, so you are praising about the day. What a bright, lovely, and sunny day it is. And the last you have to put an exclamation mark also like this exclamation mark. You all know like this. Okay, so one is done for you and the rest of the four that will be as your homework. Oh, so you have to do it as your homework. This will be your homework. Yes.